Good day, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. You know what? The market has been selling off for some time. So, guys, actually last week we actually have like some serious excessive load shedding. So yeah, that's why we did not even go live. So yeah, for now, let's see what's even now. Actually, there is load shedding. Maybe you can see the type of screen recording that I'm using. It's not the usual. By the way, it's fine. So what do we see actually here? It's Bitcoin on a 4 hours time frame. So what I see is I see the market that is actually on the downtrend, but it seems like the market is not actually willing to actually try maybe to recover. You can see that the market is respecting this area for quite some time now, but here the market is creating a structure which we can call a wedge. The market is now consolidating around this area. So now our job is to wait for a breakout, to wait for the market to break out of these areas before we can say yes, maybe we can sell or we can keep buying. But for now, let the market do its thing. Let the market just consolidate. Then after that, it's where you can take those trades. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So now we are on German 40, German 30, or DAX. What do we see here is, yes, the market is actually on a very nice downtrend, or a very stronger downtrend. So if we go closer there, you can see that around this area, the market actually created something like a support, which the market actually around that area, the market broke out of that support. But it's not surprising, as we actually know very well that we are on a downtrend, right? We are on a very stronger downtrend. So what's really happening here is, yes, you can see that actually even here the market gave us something very nice, a very nice resistance there. But plus, around this area, the market actually, let me remove that. Actually, the market is creating this structure of a consolidation. So for us to say, let's continue selling, we can wait for the market to reach this area, or maybe the market to break this area, and we can continue with that sell. Yes, there is a possibility for the market maybe to get out of this area and to push the upside, to break that resistance and to push to the upside. Do you see that? Do you see that? I hope you see that. I hope you do. So yeah, let's push to the next one, guys, and see what's really happening. I'm trying to make this video very quick, as I don't want this laptop just to die on me. The battery might die because the power is just going on and off. So what do we see currently? We see that yes, we are actually on gold. This is gold, guys. So what we see on gold is quite straightforward. We are on actually a downtrend, guys. If you want VIX, if you want EA for volatility index, it's 150. For NASDAQ and the other ones, nope, I'm no longer sell that because we use different brokers, and maybe you're not going to get the same results most of the time. So yeah, for volatility 75, let me know. It's $150 to get the robot. So yeah, let me know if you are interested. So what do we see here is the market is actually doing what? The market is actually on a downtrend, which means 90% of the time the market will be pushing to the lower side. So now I think we did sell around that these areas, but now we see the market gave us a very nice rejection, pushing to the upside. But guess what? On top here we have something like a resistance, which might give us a very nice entry, something like that. We can have something like that. You can play around your stop losses and stuff like that. Then we can have something like this. Remember, this is a 4 hours time frame, so you need to go to a little bit smaller time frame because before you say you're selling or you're doing something. But that is actually what I see. I think the market can do something like that. Do you see that? So let's push to the next one. Which is US oil, YTI. It's actually West Texas oil, or US oil. So what's really happening here is, yes, we can easily see that the market is actually doing what? going down. This is called a downtrend. The market is going down. So what we see is we just have to identify those areas where we can do what? Where we can sell. We have to just identify the areas where we're supposed to sell. If we go closer there, you will see that the market actually created something for us. The market continued to give us a nice resistant area there. And then guess what? Obviously the market reached this area again, and we saw that area, and I just sent a sell stop there. I hope my people in the group, they are eating. I hope they are eating. As you see that we had a very nice sell. So the reason behind that is, yes, there was a resistance line to push the market to the lower side, plus this in general is actually a downtrend. So that's why we just keep selling. Otherwise, maybe the market was going to break that and push the upside, but that is not happening. That's why we ended up taking that sell. So let's push to the next one, which is US30. What's really happening on US30? It's quite straightforward. The market is on a downtrend. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friend. You can share the channel link to your friends so that they can get the channel very quick. Remember, Monday to Friday we go on our live session. Unfortunately, sometimes we have some load shadings, and I'm not going to. I'll fail actually to go on live because I connect so many things, and then at the end of the day, we're not going to meet. But anyways, it's fine as long as those days where we have power, we can still meet. So we are on US30. The market is still bleeding. The market is still selling off. So what do we expect here? I'm still expecting the market, as the market is breaking this resistance support here, I'm still expecting the market to push lower. As we are on a downtrend. The market is clearly on an uptrend, sorry, on a downtrend. That's why I'm looking for what? For those sell positions. Yes, I'm looking for this. I also have some structures that I can they can help me to know where I can sell. So I'm just following that. If maybe I try to zoom, let's try to zoom that. Remember, this is 4 hours time frame. You can see we have a support. Now the market is out. This was a sell stop that I've sent in the group, in the VIP group. So yeah, you can see that actually the market is still trying to push lower and lower, and that is actually something that we want, you see. So yeah, I'm still expecting a very nice sell. Maybe we might reach 26,000 or 27,000. So what's this now? It's actually NASDAQ. So NASDAQ is also on a very, very, very strong sell. You can see that the market actually broke out of this sort of a support, or the area that the market reached before, but now it seems like it's getting out. Right, so if we go closer there, we can say, Kenzo, why not we draw something like this? Yes, we can draw that. We can have something like that. We can draw that and make sure that we understand that, you know what? Yes, we are on this downtrend. Just for us not to forget, we can have something like that. It doesn't really have to be perfect. I can say, let's push it lower. Something like that. Do you see that? So now we have something like this. So our job now is just to identify several structures that we can use to say, okay, if we see something like that, yes, actually that the market was just consolidating. You can see the market was just consolidating, and guess what? The market actually just broke out. And since the market just broke out there, you can easily see that actually we're supposed to do what? To take that sell. I know I did send this signal to the group, but that time the market was actually going up. The market was trying to push to the upside, but you see the market came back and tested. I hope maybe, I no longer remember where we did take that entry. Because I think later on when we do the classes, we removed this to show our entries, but it's something like that. If it's not, if maybe the order is not triggered, it's very close. But if it's triggered, we're hoping that tomorrow, actually, when the market opens, we might see some crazy another sell off. So we're expecting a sell, especially when we are on this downtrend. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Those who want that VIX robot, the NASDAQ US30 currency pairs robot, I no longer sell that. So now I sell only VIX. VIX, because the reason behind that is we can both use the same broker. If maybe it's not in your country, it means it's not actually for sale for you. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Thank you.